Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka Be Rich Beauty, aka your beauty best friend. And this beauty best friend has a question for you. How you masking? This video is all about creating good skin that's mask resistant. So, you know what to do. Grab that beverage, grab that juice, let's get this party started. So to start off, I'm gonna start first with clean skin. I know, I'm so naked. Don't look at me. No, just joking. Look at me. Okay, so we're gonna start first with Prep and Prime Skin Refine Zone, because you know I have to have my liquid powder in a tube to set this face. Now we're gonna do a pinch-a-roo in the back of the hand, as per you. I'm gonna take it, start in the center, down through here, and you know what, because we're wearing a mask, I'm just gonna put this all over. Thank you, Skin Refine Zone. So the secret for this long-lasting, mask-worthy skin, it's in the name. It's waterproof, it's nourishing, it's long-wearing, up to 24 hours. But if you're gonna be wearing a mask, especially to all my healthcare workers, shout out to the healthcare workers. But if anybody is gonna be wearing a mask for the majority of their day, this is how you build bulletproof skin. So we're gonna start here first. I have one color in my complexion and I have another color to highlight underneath these eyes, honey. It was a long weekend, don't judge me. Using a nice fluffy brush with a little bit of foundation. Now, what I like about this is that not only is it long wearing, but this foundation is literally what we call a hybrid foundation, which means it can double as your concealer and your foundation. So wherever you need extra coverage, just apply some and you'll get it. I need a mirror. The foundation kind of feels like a gel, so it's super lightweight. Look at that, good skin. And again, nourishing, so it gives you an automatic glow that you can control, but it just makes your skin look super yummy. Take a little down this forehead. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but I have a little bit of a blemish on my forehead. So I'm just gonna take a little bit more of the foundation, and I'm just gonna stipple, which is the act of pressing and releasing, right on top of that blemish. Boom! I'm just gonna take whatever's left, and we're just gonna continue over the face again. Now I'm gonna take a color that's a little bit brighter to go underneath this under eye area to warm it up and to highlight me. How's my skin look? Does it look delicious? Please whisper all types of sweet nothings into my ear. So it's the color that I use underneath my under eye area. I'm gonna start in the center, pull this in, like so. We're just gonna bring this up, stopping slightly underneath the lash line here. And I'm just gonna pull a little underneath my brow. And now I'm gonna use a pressing motion. This should really work this into the skin. I'm actually gonna take a little and pull it down through the center this way as well. Boom! I'm coming alive! Boom. So now that I have my skin complexion on, a little bit of a highlight, you know, since we're building skin here, you know I'm gonna do a contour, right? So, to contour, you guys know, if you watch any of my videos, I use a host of different things to contour, whether it's a contour palette or a deeper powder. I'm taking the Pro Longwear Press Powder in a deeper shade as my contour. Because I'm building this long-lasting skin, everything that I'm gonna use today is gonna be Pro Longwear. And what I love about this powder is long-wearing, it mattifies, and it gives me a really great contour color. Look at that, it looks so natural. Fluffy brush, and we're gonna contour. And we're gonna contour a little bit higher as well, just so that way once the mask is on, you can see the structure. Taking the very tip, we're gonna start right by the earlobe. I'm gonna pull this in, start going no further than the outer corner of the eye here. And we're gonna rotate the brush just to kind of blend this out. So the depth of the color is by the earlobe, and we have this beautiful, nice, natural contour color. Yay. I'm now gonna take the Pro Longwear Pressed Powder in my complexion. I'm gonna matte down the hot spots with a fluffy brush. Through the center of the forehead, of course. Slightly underneath the under eye area and pull down. And this powder, because it's long wearing, has a very velvety finish. It kind of makes the skin look real nice and blurry. Look at that. Look how blurry we're looking. And we're just gonna go over the face with this powder. I avoided doing a lot of powder through here because I do want some luminosity since we are wearing a mask. It gives the skin a little bit of a glow. Ooh, speaking of glow, let's bump this up a notch. Hyper Real Pressed Powder, y'all know this is my jam. We're gonna take all these colors, ow, with a nice little fluffy brush, and right through here, let's bring us some light. You know what they say, let there be light. Ow. I wanna be high lit and ravishing, darling. So I'm pulling this up a little bit higher because obviously we're wearing a mask. Tap that out. I'm just gonna graze this across the lid and under the brow, just for something that's really glowy. Yes, beautiful. Awesome. We're almost done. Just to kind of give us a little bit more insurance, because you know we want this to be real long wearing and to maintain this nice velvety matte. I'm gonna use Fix Plus Matte. I'm gonna give it a good shake to activate the powder particles. And we're just gonna celebrate this missed opportunity to set all this goodness and keep us matte, okay? Now we're almost done. Did you guys watch my last video? Because in the last video, I gave you a tip on how to minimize the transfer of your makeup with your mask. We're gonna finish it off with that. Clean mask, transparent powder, fluffy brush. We're going to powder the inside of our mask down, right where the bridge of the nose would make contact, and the sides as well. Give it a nice, generous application of powder on the inside, like so. Can y'all see the powder? Yes, I don't want you to see my halo, I want you to see this powder dust. No, I'm just joking. Boom. So I ask the question again, how you masking? Baby, the category is serving 24-hour face wearing my mask. So wherever you are, whether you're in the healthcare industry, food service, or just walking about looking your best self, do it with great skin, honey. A glow, a contour, and long wearability never hurt nobody. Most importantly, guys, you know what to do. If you like the video, leave me a comment and like the video. And don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, stay safe out there. And I'll see you for another episode of How You Masking? Love you lots. Bye.